Yo, good morning. Even though it's like pretty much 1 p.m. already. Gonna go out and buy band-aids for this cut. And then gonna go on an adventure to see if I can get a haircut. I think there's a place that I found that does shaving. Maybe they'll shave it for me as well. We'll see. Let's get going. The store. Look at these gotchas. They're everywhere. Probably get like 50. Yo, check this out. Evangelion shavers. 6X Evangelion. That's cool. Oh, it feels nice. It's really soft. It's that blue and red thing. It looks like they can't do it right now because I don't have a reservation, but he said around 2:30, so that's like an hour from now. Looks like a cute little place with lots of style. I'll be back in a wee bit. For now, I'm just gonna go, I don't know, just ride my bike around. Maybe go to the bookstore. So I'm here at Kasumi. Yeah, they have a little eat-in section here in Kasumi. I'm back here. Yo, check out my hair. Looks really good, I think. That was pretty intense. Started around 2:30, finished at around 3:40 p.m. So it's like an hour. I thought it was gonna be like 30 minutes. I usually avoid expensive barbers, but I figured let's try it out. And I'm really glad I did. They were amazing. Yeah, I was like, I just want like a regular haircut, just like a fade. He brought out like photos of how close to the skin the fade would be. And I was like, oh, that helps. So I was like, yeah, just do this one. And he suggested one for me. So he got it. He had a bunch of scissors. And I was like expecting him to like pull out the electric shaver. He never did. He never pulled out an electric shaver. It was all by hand, all manual. And then after that, it was so smooth. Like, he had like an assistant, not an assistant, I think he's also a barber, but he's in training. Before I knew it, he was like already taking care of me. I was like, what the heck? When did that switch happen? They gave me a shave, and then they also trimmed my eyebrows a little bit. I didn't even notice. I was like, oh wait, they trimmed it a little bit and shaved it a little bit. They did a shampoo on my head, and they use a bunch of these like hot towels that smell really nice. The assistant guy gave me a massage, a head and a shoulder massage. I was like, yo, this is amazing. This feels so good. And then after that, he was like, do you want to put a little bit of product in your hair? And I was like, yeah, sure. So good, like the way they put like the coat on you, towels and stuff. It's so gentle, so smooth, almost like art. A really good experience. And my hair looks fire. Look at that. He did that fade manually. So definitely gonna be going back there. It's 4,200 yen, so that's like about 40 bucks. But yo, I love it. There's only like 3 or 4 chairs. I was too shy to ask if I could film them. So maybe after they know me. And then also Japan, man, with their customer service, because when I was about to leave, so I already took off my coat because I knew like I'm not gonna need this coat. I didn't take off this sweater because like I basically have like my heat tech underneath. It would be kind of weird. As I was about to leave, he was like, oh, the coat. He grabbed it for me, put it on for me. I was like, damn, yo, this is some high level customer service. And the shave, so smooth. Hopefully I can interview them at some point in the future. Right, I'm here at Kasumi Kimchi. Very curious about this. For now, I'm gonna get this. Didn't realize they have this recycling. Is this where you could put it? Interesting. Much other. Everything recyclable. Yo, I'm back home. Yeah, I really like... Yeah, love how he cut it and styled it. What did I get? This thing that's sticking out? Obviously. negi. This is ippin. I can actually read something. Aburage, or basically it's tofu that's been like deep fried. Suggestion of my girlfriend. Got some nira, shiitake, and this time we're gonna try out the kimchi soup. I got some meat. All right, I got some editing done. Yeah, all right, so let's get to cooking. I got nabe, and of course napa cabbage. Put the bean sprouts, some carrots in there. I love negi, so I'm gonna use 2 big edible chunks. Shiitake, the green parts of the negi, and a bunch of nira, because why not? And hope it works. So interesting. It looks like it's not edible. It looks like styrofoam or something. But yeah, this is what they put on top of like kitsune udon. Chop up some of them. Probably big pieces because I like them. Ooh, look at that. Looking so good. I dump these guys in so they absorb flavor. I'll put the veggies in here. Cook some of these guys in here. Looks pretty tasty. Tadakimaku. Some good meat. Nice and soft carrots. Interesting. So it's supposed to be kimchi nabe, but it doesn't have a very strong kimchi taste. Aburage, so good. Some negi. Getting some sweetness from that negi. Shiitake is fire. And yeah, I forgot I have bean sprouts. Akagara is currently the best one for me. Sesame is next, and then this one is third. It's not bad. It's just I wanted more punch to it, a bit more spiciness, a bit more kick, a bit more thickness. Anyways, it's good. I'm gonna keep eating. I gotta do my laundry. I haven't done it in 2 weeks. Right there, laundry. Let's go. Just a minute and 45. Oh, back home. Got my clothes folded. I think I'm gonna be sleeping soon. Goodbye to this nicely styled hair tomorrow. Good night.